Sue McCamley. I am the band director at Seoul American Middle School here at Yongsan 8th Army Base, and I teach all the bands at the middle school. So I have an intermediate band, a concert band, and 3 beginning bands, plus a jazz band. I like to promote music in schools, and I see kids and I try and say that music's a good thing for them.
I think Ms. McCamley is a really good director, and she's a really good teacher. She's one of my favorite.
I was able to attract more students, and the word got out and just started getting more and more, and we just have a huge program right now, which is just a testament to our great students that we have.